We did it. We did it. Barcelona are through. We're going to play Bayern. About the match, it was a decent match. All the goals coming in the first half. Um, I'm just happy we were able to go through. Before the match, I wasn't really confident, but I still had on my Barca jersey. I still had hope, and we did it. 3-1 on the night, 4-2 on aggregate. We beat Napoli, and it was convincing. We could have done better, but we got the job done on the night. Messi another masterclass. Suarez kind of missing. Griezmann as well. Rakitic gave away a penalty. We're going to talk about that. 3-1 on the night. It should have been 4, but VAR decided to take away Messi goal. Most people expected Napoli to dump us, but this is Camp Nou. I expected us to win. I wasn't that confident, but I expected a win. Moving on to the Bayern match on Friday, I think. So yeah, we're through to the quarterfinals. Bayern Munich destroyed Chelsea. Bayern just love playing in London club. 4-1, 7-1 on aggregate. That's embarrassing. Honestly, I don't think Barca can win the Champions League. The way we're playing, we cannot. Unless some miracle happen. We have to face Bayern, Man City. There's still PSG in the cup. If we're to win, we're going to need a miracle. But I'm going to celebrate this. Madrid lost yesterday. Juventus lost yesterday. Nice. Barca won today. It wasn't convincing, although all the action was in the first half. Messi goal that was ruled off for handball is absolutely ridiculous. VAR needs to be fixed. Honestly, when VAR got introduced, I said, okay, we're going to benefit from this. Some of those bad decisions that used to go against Barca is now going to be good. Man, was I wrong? How is that handball? What game? What? How is that handball? The man control it right here. What? But we moved from that. We got a penalty. It was a penalty because Koulibaly had a bad game. So that was a penalty. Then Rakitic gave away a penalty. Again, that was a penalty. I don't know what he was thinking. That wasn't necessary. Quarterfinal is Friday again. Honestly, I don't see us beating Bayern. Bayern is on a different level. But, you can see it to the match. We only made 2 substitutes. 2. We don't have a bench. We don't have anyone who say, okay, we're losing. We need a goal. Bring that guy on. We don't have that. Today Busquets was out, today Vidal was out. We only made 2 substitutes in the 84th minute. We brought off Griezmann. You can obviously see that Griezmann didn't want to come off. Then we bring on Suarez. Suarez got a yellow card for wasting time, which is absolutely ridiculous. That's just typical Suarez stupidity, unnecessary card. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't Barca. A lot of people say that, and I believe that's not the Barca that I know. Barca is dominating match. I didn't see that today. Even in the second half, we let up. We got lucky sometimes. Ter Stegen, I think it was early on in the game, took a volley. I don't remember who it was, and Ter Stegen was just standing still, almost went in. I don't know. When Junior Firpo come on, I don't like him. Honestly, I don't think he should be in the squad. He should not play, but we don't have a squad. It was only 13 first team members that was on the team sheet, and yeah, a team like Barcelona should be struggling for players. I know that Umtiti is injured and Dembele will loan Coutinho. The Barca board is not it. We need to do something special in the transfer market, but we don't have any money. So I don't know. We're not getting Neymar, so that can be out. I don't think we're going to win Champions League this year. We didn't win the league. We got knocked out of Copa del Rey. It's going to be a trophy-left season, but today we got the win. A lot of people didn't believe that we could do that. Samuel, yeah, before the match, Samuel message time for Barca lose. That never happened. So the Europa League with your Man U friend them. Yeah, Barca a bigger team. Yeah, so as I said, we have a lot to improve on. We need a new bench, but we don't have any money. We need a new board. Messi masterclass. VAR needs to be fixed. It was an okay day. But there's a lot of problems. We need to fix them. But I am happy. I get to smile watching my team. Those last league matches were not it. Should have just cancelled the league, to be honest. We would have won and not given Madrid another title, but we moved, can't do anything from that. Madrid got knocked out, so Champions League before us, so yeah. I get man of the match. Longer play well, but I have to give it to Messi. Messi brilliant again. He's the best in the world, the best we'll ever see. I'm so happy I get to see Messi play football. Man of the match, Messi. They played well. I expected more fight from Napoli. Thank God that didn't happen. Friday is going to be our match against Bayern, so come back for that. Hopefully we'll see. Hopefully we'll win that. If not, oh well, no trophy this season. But we go. Forca Barca Vista Catalonia.